Welcome to Cineplex Talks. First, I will clarify some of the information about which I am going to speak in this channel. Hereafter, cartoon, anime, and sentai. These three I am going to speak in English. And about English movies, English series, and all, I am going to speak in Tamil because I am from Chennai only, so I am going to speak in Tamil. If you want English movie in English and anime in Tamil means my pleasure to explain. But if you want, you should comment in comment section, then only I can able to explain in both languages. So in this video we are going to see about what is cartoon and the brief explanation about cartoon. So before going into the video, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon and give a big thumbs up to this video. Let's go into the video. First, I will speak about cartoon. I will give a clear explanation about what is cartoon. A cartoon is a type of illustration that is typically drawn, sometime animated in an unrealistic or semi-realistic style. In this first point, what is saying is a cartoon is a type of illustration. It is like a illustration, it is like an imagination, and it is drawn by a person and sometime animated in an unrealistic or semi-realistic manner. So that means it can be created like it is not a real thing, it was created by some person. So the cartoon is a type of illustration that is typically drawn, sometime animated in an unrealistic semi-realistic style. Second thing about cartoon is the specific meaning has evolved over time, but the modern usage usually refers to either an image or series of image intended for caricature or humor or a motion picture that they are released on sequence of illustration for its animation. Second point says that the specific meaning has evolved over time because for cartoon there is some specific meaning. They are an image or series of image involved from caricature or humor or motion picture. The images have three things: caricature, humor, and motion picture. Okay, they are released on sequence of illustration for its animation. They have some illustration, there is some illustration. So these are the points that is saying about cartoon. And you can ask who create cartoon and what they named. Someone who created cartoon in the first sense is called cartoonist, and in the second sense they are usually called as animator. I told what is cartoon. Now I will explain when was first animated cartoon created. You can ask when was first animated cartoon created because cartoon has created, but you don't know when was the cartoon is created. Now I will explain when was the cartoon created. The world first fully animated cartoon was released on August 17, 1908. On August 17, 1908, the first animated cartoon series was released. I told in August 17, 1908, the first animated cartoon is created. You can ask which is the first cartoon created, what is the name of cartoon created first, and who created it. Now I will say what is the name of first cartoon and who created it. Phantasmagory is the first fully animated cartoon series. Now I will tell who created it. It was created by Emile Cohel in the traditional hand-drawn animated style. Who created it? Emile Cohel. And in the what manner it was created? Traditional hand-drawn animated style it was created. I told Emile Cohel was the cartoonist who created the first cartoon. But many of them don't know who is he. Now I will explain about some brief information about him. Cohel was a French caricaturist, animator, and cartoonist, and he was also called as the father of the animated cartoon and the oldest Parisian. And he was born on 4th January 1857 and died in 20th January 1938. Now I will explain some of the animated cartoon made by him. He has written so many cartoon series, but I have shown you only 4 cartoon series which was written by him. So these are the cartoon series was written by him. I told so many series he had wrote. Now I will tell what are all the achievements he achieved. You can see in the video, these are all the achievements made by him. These are all the information I have collected about him. If you want more information, I will make an individual video about him, and that video contain only about his history and his achievement. So if you want or not, just comment in the comment section, then I will make an individual video. Now we will see more information about cartoon. Now I will list some of the countries who created cartoon. All the countries have created cartoon, but now I am going to list some of the countries who has created the cartoons. List of countries created cartoon is United Kingdom, USA, Canada, South Korea, France, India, etc. These are the countries created cartoon, and in Japan also they created, but in Japan they will mention as anime. It is not like a cartoon. If you want brief explanation about anime, I already made a brief explanation about anime. You can see that video and you can know about what is anime. These are all the places that created cartoons. Now you can ask, who is the first company who created cartoon? Now I am going to say about first company who created cartoon. The Geomon company is the first company who created cartoon and who published. Now I will list some of the cartoon channels that has telecasted all the cartoons. The famous cartoon channels are Cartoon Network, Nickelodeon, Pogo, Discovery Kids, etc. There are so many cartoon channels. Just I have listed only 5 cartoon channels. If you want more information about cartoon channel, I will make a separate video about each and every cartoon channel and about all the cartoon channels. Now I am going to explain how many genres cartoon have. These things I am going to explain now. I have listed all the genres that these are all the genres are there for cartoon. Now I will explain each and everything individually. Now I will tell what do you mean by all CGI cartoons. Now I am going to tell about all CGI cartoons. All CGI cartoons is an animated TV show or movie which consists entirely of artwork drawn by computer software and does not contain any frames drawn on physical media. It only contained as soft copy. It will not contained as manually. So in CGI cartoon you can only draw like by using computer. This pic is example for CGI cartoons. This is another genre. Now I will explain another genre. What is musical animation? Now I will explain what is musical animation. Actually, the musical animation is each and every animation which was created with music is called musical animation. These things only I have explained formally, but now I have just explained only casually these things. Actually, the music is each and every animation which contain music. This is called music animation. These are the example of music animation that you are seeing in the video. Now I will explain what is animated shock comedy. This is the another genre. Actually, animated shock comedy is only made for adult because it has A-rated jokes and all. So it is only made for adults only. Now I will tell what is dark age of animation. This is the another age. Now I will tell what is the dark age of animation. For the mid 1950 to the last 1980 was the dark age of the animation. You can see in the screen, these are all the animations which are made in dark age. These are made in dark age of animations. For brief explanation, I have listed everything in the screen. You can see all the information. Just I have explained only the outer of dark age of animation. If you want more information, I will make a separate video for this. Now I will tell what is domestic only cartoon. Now I am going to explain what is domestic only cartoon. A domestic only cartoon is an animated series or film which is animated and painted entirely within a country origin with no outsource involved. It is only created in, if it is an American cartoon, it is only created in America and telecasted in America. These types of cartoons are called domestic only cartoons. Now I will explain some of the early animation. So now I am going to explain some of the early animations. It is like a general form. The early animation is like a general form. You can see in the screen, it will be like a general image only. It will not be a 3D image or 2D image and all. It is just like a normal image only. These are called early animations. The early animation is the section of the history of animation, covers animation in its most primarily form. There are no stars or no series, etc. They didn't have any series or stars, etc. So these types of animes are called early animations. Now I am going to explain what is funny animals. There are so many funny animal characters in animation. Now I will explain what are funny animals. Funny animal characters is like that have Mickey Mouse, Bugs Bunny. These are all funny animal characters. Donald Duck, etc. Like this, these are created for only entertainment purpose. So these are called funny animals. The funny animal characters will stand like humans and it has human emotions, etc. Now I will explain about golden age animation. Now I am going to explain about golden age animation. The golden age of animation is so earlier animations. It has started in 1928, November 18th 1928 only it has been started. So it is so old. You can see like Bugs Bunny and Donald Duck, etc. Like that, there are so many cartoons that created in golden age that you are seeing in the picture. I have posted the picture. You can see that these are all the golden age characters. Now I am going to explain what is gross out shows. Gross out shows are like a ugliest image that has been used to telecast in some shows. You can see in some of the cartoons that has most ugliest pic. So these are called gross out shows. Now I am going to explain about millennium age of animation. The millennium age of animation is telecasted until now. You can see until now the millennium age has been telecasted, like SpongeBob SquarePants that I have posted in the pic. You can see these are all the millennium age animations. So it has, most of the movies has only 2D, like movies and series has only 2D. Only some of them has 3D. These type of series and animated series are came in millennium age. Now I will tell what is object shows. In object shows, all the objects have eyes and nose and mouth. So like this, they will imagine like some of the objects is speaking. So if they create like this, these are called object shows. Now I am going to explain what are prime time cartoons. Most of the prime time cartoons will telecast in evening on Saturday. So like these cartoons which are telecasting in that time are called prime time cartoons. So this is a simple information about prime time cartoons. Now I will explain which period is the Renaissance age of animation. Which cartoon you are seeing in the screen is, these are all the cartoons are created in Renaissance age. The Renaissance age is from 1980 and to 1990. The Renaissance age of animation had the medium see a significant increasing in technical quality and finally released to a point of articles respect it had not seen since the golden age. The Renaissance age cartoons are Bugs Bunny and Mermaid, like that, etc. Now I am going to explain which period is silent age of animation. The silent age is from 1900 to 1920. They will not put any sound and all. They have only background music. That's all. These type of cartoons are called silent age cartoons. Now I will tell what are superhero stories. Superhero storybooks are made of some of the comic books like Superman, Spider-Man and Captain America, like that. They have so many characters. By using that characters, they make some fictional stories. These type of stories are called superhero stories. Now I will explain what is military and war force western. Index of western animations focused on or having future militating and war force, except to see many military and war force troops as well as most relevant animation troops. These type of animations are called military and war force western animation. Now I will tell what is wartime cartoon. I already told war force, but wartime and war force both are same only. When the cartoon is taken on that time, like in wartime, that type of cartoons are called wartime cartoons. These are all the different types of genres in cartoons and different type of ages in cartoon. I already told in Japan they will mention as anime, and in other countries and all they will mention as cartoon. So now I will say what is the difference between cartoon and anime. Cartoon and anime is different from cartoon is just like a drawing. It does not mean any sense, but the anime has some sense. It is meaning like it has human emotions, violence, etc. I will tell cartoon has age limit or not. Some cartoon has age limit but some does not have. These are the general information about cartoon. If you want more information, I will make a separate video and I will post. Now, bye, take care. Let's see in another video.